Wednesday, November 13, 2013. I'm Laila and I'm Zaina and this is Links News. Weather. The weather today is sunny with a high of 26 and a low of 18. Word of the day, undergird, strengthen, support. The iron bars provide the undergird to the concert in the hospital across from AIS. Geography fact. Antarctica is the only continent that does not have land areas below sea level. Elementary musical auditions will be November 17 and 18 after school. If you would like more information or would like to sign up for a time, see Miss Megan by Thursday. Beijing trip. The 9th grade February trip will be to Beijing, China. There is no meeting on Thursday. Please plan on staying after school on
Sunday.
To hear more. Model UN will meet on Tuesday, November 19 at 3 p.m. in room 411 and that all MUN members are required to attend. Remember to send us your Links News. I'm Laila and I'm Zaina. Have a whimsical Wednesday.